A little bit of a quick video for y'all. Now, if y'all remember, if you watched my channel at all, this little lemon of an S10, well, it ain't the head gasket, and I figured out what the knock was. It was getting ready to go boom. The engine is dead. And I do mean dead. Coming back home one day, it just decided to completely seize. Got to unseize a little bit, enough to get home, but now it is dead. I know I'm gonna have to pull the motor and other stuff, but I'm considering either rebuilding it, which would, yeah, buying another 2.2 or swapping it for a 4.3. Now this did come with the 2.2 original and all other stuff. It was not a swap. I mean, come on, who would swap anything for a 2.2? But if I do decide to take this whole mess apart underneath here, and yes, I did get a different air conditioner. It did work for a little while. Battery is out of it. But it's going to take some decision making. Do I want to take and do that, or do I want to put something in here that's going to run for a whole lot longer? The only thing that the 2.2 had on it was gas mileage. It was good gas mileage. Everything else, not the biggest fan. I have found a site that I can do something to this thing that would change it and put FORD on the motor for it, but that's a whole nother barrel of shitstorm. And also, if I do that, I'd take the bed off of it too and put a different bed on it.